Hello, I'm Eric Walther, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to begin contouring in the optic plane. So I have a case open already in the contouring window. The first step is to get our windowing level set correctly. So we'll go up and select the window level button, and then we will right-click and switch breast, which we have preset to a window level for viewing the optic nerves. The next step will be to get the frontal pane in this big window, and we do that by hitting this toggle key. Next, we'll want to select the 2D rotation, and then come over to our sagittal view, and we'll want to just click on the very bottom of the window and drag to rotate the position of the dog till it's just above the 45-degree angle. Next step, we'll go ahead and click on this green divider line, and we'll start sliding it back until we can see the optic nerves back in our frontal view. And we can see they're just about to appear about right here. These are the optic nerves right here on each side. Once you get the optic nerves appearing, you can also go back and adjust a little bit if you need to by dragging this from one side to the other. It looks like we're pretty close right here though, so I'm not going to adjust that any further. So the next step at this point would be we can go ahead and scroll through this frontal pane, and we can kind of see the entire path of the optic nerves, where it connects to the back of the eye. And then if we scroll down, we can see where it actually goes down into the opening of the optic canal. So we'll go ahead and start contouring. We'll go ahead and contour the left optic nerve just to kind of show how to get started. We'll select the brush. 3mm brush size is a good size to start with for this dog. This is a beagle. Most dogs should be in the 3 to 4mm range. So we'll go ahead and start contouring here. You will notice a little bit of bleed through to successive slices because we're at an angle and the voxel size isn't exactly cubical. There will be some bleed through, but that's okay. We just want to get it as close as we can. Looks like there's maybe just a little bit of nerve left here. And we'll just go down to the very opening of the optic canal, and we'll finish that off in the transverse view after we get the optic nerves contoured. So you'll want to go through and do the same for the right optic nerve, and then of course at that point switch to the transverse view to finish out your contour. And that concludes the tutorial.